Eating breakfast.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, I ate some toast and eggs.
That sounds good. Did you have coffee too?
No, I didn't eat or drink anything else.
You should try having some fruit with breakfast.
That's a good idea. I'll try it tomorrow.
Eating pizza.
Did you eat the pizza I left in the fridge?
No, I didn't eat it. I wasn't hungry.
That's surprising. You love pizza.
I know, but I ate a big lunch earlier.
Fair enough. I'll eat it then.
Go ahead.
Eating at the restaurant.
Did you eat at the new Italian restaurant downtown?
Yes, I ate there last weekend.
How was it?
The food was amazing, especially the pasta.
That's good to know. I'll check it out.
You should.
Eating birthday cake.
Did you eat the birthday cake at the party?
Yes, I ate 2 slices. It was so good.
What kind was it?
Chocolate with vanilla frosting.
That sounds delicious. I wish I had some.
You should have come to the party.
Eating a salad.
Did you eat the salad I made for dinner?
No, I didn't eat it. I wasn't in the mood for salad.
You're missing out. It was really tasty.
I'll eat it tomorrow for lunch.
Make sure you do. It's fresh and healthy.
I will.
Eating school lunch.
Did you eat lunch at school today?
Yes, I ate in the cafeteria with my friends.
What did they serve?
Pasta and a side of vegetables.
That's not bad. Was it good?
It was decent, but not amazing.
Eating spicy food.
Did you eat the spicy curry from last night?
No, I didn't eat it. It's too spicy for me.
That's a shame. It was really flavourful.
I'll stick to something milder.
Next time, I'll make a less spicy version.
I'd appreciate that.
Eating fast food.
Did you eat fast food for dinner again?
Yes, I ate a burger and fries.
You need to start eating healthier meals.
I know, but it's so convenient.
Maybe try cooking at home next time.
I'll think about it.
Eating a late-night snack.
Did you eat anything late last night?
Yes, I ate a bowl of cereal before bed.
That's not too bad. Was it filling?
It was enough to keep me from waking up hungry.
Just don't make it a habit.
I won't.
Eating a chocolate bar.
Did you eat the chocolate bar I left on the table?
No, I didn't eat it. I thought it was yours.
It was, but I left it for you to try.
Oh, thanks. I'll eat it later.
Let me know if you like it.
I will.
Having a dinner party.
Did you eat at the dinner party last night?
Yes, I ate so much food. Everything was delicious.
What was your favourite dish?
The lasagna was amazing.
That's good to hear. I'll have to try it next time.
You definitely should.
Trying a new recipe.
Did you eat the new recipe I tried?
Yes, I ate it for lunch. It was really good.
I'm so glad you liked it.
What did you add to make it taste so good?
Just some fresh herbs and a secret spice blend.
You'll have to teach me your secrets.
Eating ice cream.
Did you eat the ice cream in the freezer?
Yes, I ate a bowl of it last night.
Did you save any for me?
Of course, there's still plenty left.
Good, because I was looking forward to it.
Enjoy.
Eating healthy snacks.
Did you eat any healthy snacks today?
Yes, I ate an apple and some almonds.
That's great. Did it keep you full?
It did. I didn't feel the need to snack on junk food.
That's the way to do it. Keep it up.
Thanks, I will.